Meet Mimi, the cutest little kitten in the magical forest. But Mimi had one tiny problem. She loved food, maybe a little too much. And sometimes that caused trouble. Berry after berry, Mimi kept eating. Uh-oh. Mimi was stuck again. Oh no, what happened this time?
I'm stuck again.
Don't worry, Mimi. We'll help you. Yeah, we're here.
Friends help each other.
It's stuck. We have to move it.
It is heavy. We need a plan.
I can climb and push from the top.
I'm too chubby to help friends. Let's find another way.
I'm sorry, everyone. I'm stuck again.
Don't worry, Mimi. We'll help you. Patience. We will find a way. I'll check the other side. Mimi, are you okay in there?
I'm stuck. It's too tight.
We will get you out, Mimi. Yeah, teamwork. A wise plan. One more pull, Mimi.
Try.
Steady now, push together. Teamwork will prevail.
You got this. I'm free. Almost there, Toby. We'll get Mimi unstuck.
Steady now, we are almost done.
Don't worry, Mimi. We've almost got it.
I hope so. I'm a little nervous. I hope you can get me out.
Don't worry, Mimi, we're here. We will pull you out soon. Yeah, this will be fun.
Stay calm, little one. We are ready.
1, 2, 3, pull. Ugh, almost, pull harder.
I'm trying. It's so tight.
Don't give up, Mimi. We've got this.
Yes, it's moving.
Yay! I can wiggle. We can do it! Keep pulling!
Teamwork is the key.
Almost there!
Come on, guys. One more push.
Look, it's sliding!
You can do it, Mimi. I'm wiggling as hard as I can.
Steady now. Your moment is near.
One more push. Whoa, it's rolling so fast!
Oh no, it's getting away!
We can catch it! Follow me! No rush, friends. Steady does it.
Patience, it will slow soon.
Look, her tail is coming out!
Yeah! Keep pushing, Mimi! You're almost there. Steady now. Hey,
I'm out! Thanks, friends!
Yay! We did it!
I'm dead. Phew! I'm out!
Mimi! Are you okay? That was awesome! A joyful reunion.
Mimi, we were so worried!
Yeah! Don't get stuck again, okay? We're just glad you're safe.
I'm sorry, friends. I was stuck.
All is well. Let this be a lesson.
I'm up! Look at me! Yay, Mimi! You did it!
A good lesson, my friends. Even when we stumble, we can always get back up. Mimi, your chubby belly is part of what makes you special. It makes your hugs extra warm and your adventures more exciting.
I love my belly.
Whee! Here I go! Be careful, Milo.
So
That was awesome! You all look so happy. Best friends forever. What a perfect day!
It really is.
I could stay here forever.
The sunset is beautiful. I'm so happy with you all.